with what is happening with the number of COVID-19 infections in India, where India continues to report a record rise in the number of COVID-19 infections, largely led by the Omicron mutant variant. According to reports that have come in just the last 24 hours, India has recorded a staggering 117,000 cases of infections. Now, the country has crossed this mark in just 8 days in comparison with India's second wave of infections, when it had taken 47 days to breach the 100,000 mark in the number of daily infections. Now, the country's caseload has also included about 3,000 cases of Omicron infections out of the total cases that have been reported, and almost about 1,000 odd cases have just been reported in a few of a handful of states, which continue to test higher than other states in India. While cases have risen nationwide, Maharashtra in particular has registered over 36,000 cases. That's a sharp increase of 31.7%. The city of Mumbai, known as India's financial capital, accounts for nearly about 20,000 cases. This beats the previous all-time high of 15,000 cases that had been recorded just the previous day. The infections have also affected the doctors who are working on the front lines, with about 338 resident doctors from various hospitals having tested positive for the COVID-19 infection in just the last 4 days. However, deaths in the state remain low, with about 13 fatalities having been reported in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, in the national capital, New Delhi, the official data shows that none of the confirmed Omicron cases required oxygen or ventilator support, at least so far. There are several political parties who've also decided to halt their political campaigns as cities have imposed COVID curfews. And health experts have warned of the possibility of surging infections in the days to come, especially if the political parties were to continue with their political campaigning and get thousands of people for their political rallies. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.